With fall comes tidying up the garden, especially for dahlias. So here are 4 mistakes when preparing dahlias for winter storage and how you can avoid them. And we've got a complete guide on digging and storing dahlias. Just click the link down in the description. So the first mistake is waiting too long to dig up dahlias. The dahlias should be dug up after frost, but before the ground freezes. So keep an eye on the temperatures and don't wait too long to start digging up your dahlias. The second mistake is digging too close to the dahlias when trying to lift them. Dahlias form clumps of tubers, and if you dig too close, you risk damaging them. And damaged tubers, if left on, can cause problems down the road. Try to estimate how big the dahlia clump is. It may be pushing up from the ground slightly. I like to try to draw a circle to estimate where I think the dahlia clump is and dig a few inches away. The third mistake is not cleaning off the dahlias. Whether you wash them or brush them clean, this step helps make sure that you're not bringing any worms or insects inside, and it also makes it easier to check for any damaged or rotted tubers, which need to be removed before storing. And lastly, it's important to let the dahlias dry out a bit after cleaning, but before you put them away. Dahlias shouldn't be too wet to store them. Plus, this gives you one more opportunity to check over the tubers before winter. So that's about it. If you avoid these mistakes, you'll set yourself and your dahlias up for a successful winter. So thanks so much for watching. Remember, if you want a more detailed guide to digging and storing dahlias, check out the link in the description. Until next time, happy gardening.